Hello there! Welcome everyone. In today's series, we will explore Class Bivalvia, a fascinating group of phylum Mollusca that includes mussels, clams, and oysters. We will focus on three key characteristics that define these animals: their two-shell, their filter-feeding lifestyle, and the absence of head. The name Bivalvia means two valves or two shells. Every bivalve has a body protected by two hard calcareous shells joined together by a flexible hinge ligament. Powerful adductor muscles pull the shell tightly closed whenever the animal senses danger, protecting it from predators and harsh environmental conditions. Mussels have long, smooth shells and attach themselves to rocks using strong basal threads. Clams have thick, rounded shells that protect them while they burrow into sand or mud. Oysters, on the other hand, have rough, irregular shell, and one shell is usually permanently attached to rocks or hard surfaces. Their shells continue to grow throughout the animal's life as they are secreted by the mantle. The valve opening and feeding structures are located on the ventral end. Gas exchange in bivalves occur across both the mantle and gills. The gills of most bivalves are highly adapted for filter feeding and are comprised of highly folded, lengthened filaments. Filaments lying beside each other to form plate-like lamellae through numerous interfilamentous junctions that increase surface area. In order to feed, most bivalves create respiratory currents that bring both dissolved oxygen and organic material to the gills. Here, the gland cell and labial pulps secrete a great deal of mucus in order to entangle particles suspended in the water column. Most bivalves have an incurrent and excurrent siphon and are sometimes the only parts of the animal that is visible above the substrate. Water is drawn in through the incurrent siphon and expelled through the excurrent siphon. This feeding process makes bivalves important natural water filters. Bivalves do not have a distinct head. Unlike snails or octopus, they have no well-developed head, no radula, the scraping organ used by many other molluscs. They have no tentacles. Instead, their body is mainly made up of muscular folds, mantle, gills, and visceral mass. The muscular folds help many species, especially clams, dig into the sediments, while the gills carry out both feeding and respiration. Adult oysters remain attached to rocks or other hard surfaces for life. Some species are famous for producing pearls, which forms when layers of nacre are deposited around a foreign particle. Mussels are found in both freshwater and marine habitats. They attach themselves firmly to rocks using basal threads and continually filter water for food. Clams usually live buried beneath sand or mud. Their strong muscular folds allows them to dig into the substrate while they filter feed safely below the surface. Bivalves provide many benefits to the ecosystem and humans. Their filter feeding lifestyle purifies water. They serve as an important food source. They produce pearls in some oyster species. They also provide shelter for other organisms through their empty shell. They help scientists to monitor the health of aquatic environments. Let's take a quick recap on our today's lesson. Class Bivalvia include clams, oyster, and mussels, all of which share three major characteristics. They possess two hinged shells that protect their soft bodies. They are filter feeders, using their gills to remove food particles from water. They also lack a distinct head, relying instead on specialized gills and a muscular fold for feeding, respiration, and movement. These remarkable adaptations have allowed bivalves to thrive in aquatic habitats, while playing an essential role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. I am Afari Emmanuel. See you in our next episode.